This is the hinges of the bridge where my dad, when we were children, he was guarding these hinges, and we used to come here and go across to Luna Park because it was fun. And so my great memories, it's all different now. This was all green here, coming out of the water, but now it's different because it's many, many years ago. And I'm just loving today because we've had the most marvellous day. And a beautiful lunch. Oh my word. Never have enjoyed the food so much.
Okay, so apparently I think these are 300 tonnes. I'm happy to be corrected. And I do not know the height up to the deck there. Oh, there goes my finger in the video. But do you have any stats? I know that the granite came from Maruya. Yes. So do you want to walk over there to the hinges? Can you do that? Knowing that your dad was here. Good old Larry Smith. There's a train going over, we can't quite hear.
Maybe 70 years later. 70 years.
What's that?
I wonder what my dad would say.
So he would have been guarding them in 1942, so 80 years ago.
He's guarding them. I think that I am now 91 years old. And I am back here today having a wonderful outing.
Yeah.
Sydney years. Katie and Robert have taken me. That I've seen today is splendiferous.
Now, if you can't be heard, it's because it's a bit windy here.
Yes, that's
but I'm just going to do a quick view right up there again. Hello, Sydney Harbour Bridge. You are one spectacular bridge, and we call you the coat hanger for a very good reason. And there's the Sydney Opera House that Neil Diamond said would last for 500 years. Thank you, Neil Diamond. And here we go round back to my mother again. And I think we can now get in the car and head back to the mountains.
I've got to get up there.
It'd be terrible if you got stuck there, hey?
For the rest of the time.
Okay, I help you. Signing off now.
Okay, signing off.
Okay, bye for now.
Thank you, Katie and Robert, for a beautiful day.
Okay, bye.
A very exciting day to me. And seeing what we saw today, 3 master going under the bridge. Oh. How close we'd have been here. How close we'd have been. You know, we did look at that opera house where Peter had given the opera house to.
Oh, that's right. The opera house was also lit up in yellow.
And yes, and he was given, Peter and Judy were given that in memory of our darling Sarah, who we love dearly. And to think that all this is all part of where we are today. And it's so beautiful.
And it also connects.
A tinge of sadness.
It connects Sarah to your father.
It does.
So across generations, this bridge
Yeah.
is important to your family.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, we're going to the car now.
Okay.
We're in a no parking zone.
We're on
Let's
we're on
ride.
our way back to the car now.
Okay.
And Robert's been incredibly patient.